Today, we're making Taiwanese XXL fried chicken, also known as daji pie. This is a popular night market snack. This flavor-packed chicken is not just big and juicy, but crunchy in your mouth. Just take a listen to the bite. There is so much more flavor in this chicken than regular fried chicken. Each bite is so good that you're going to want another bite. So, let's get cooking. For the marinade, add 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, a half tablespoon of white pepper, crush 4 garlic cloves, quarter cup of soy sauce, two tablespoons of Shaoxing wine, half a teaspoon of 5 spice, and mix. For the chicken, we'll be using 2 chicken breasts and butterfly them by cutting in half, but not fully cutting through. Then we'll pound the chicken with a dull cleaver or a heavy object. This just helps flatten out the chicken. Add to the marinade and repeat. Then make sure all of the chicken gets coated and is submerged in the marinade. Let marinate for at least 6 hours. To cook, we'll prep a dish of tapioca starch. You can use cornstarch as well, but I find tapioca starch gives a better crispy coating. We'll take our marinated chicken and toss it in the tapioca starch so that everything is fully coated with a layer of the starch. Then, in an air fryer set to 400 degrees C, we'll generously spray with both sides with oil and cook for 12 minutes on each side. Feel free to add oil midway as well if you missed any spots. Flip it, spray it, and repeat. After the chicken has cooked 12 minutes on each side, we can remove this now crispy chicken and repeat for the rest of the breast. And boom, you have a delicious Taiwanese XXL fried chicken. The outside is crispy, but inside is very juicy and packed with flavor. You can even freeze these and reheat later in the air fryer. If you're looking for an easy and yummy chicken recipe to share with others, then be sure to give this a try and like and subscribe for more if this looks good. We'll see you next time.